You will recall that when the court sat on the first day of November 2021, this case was adjourned for hearing. But somehow, counsel to the first and second defendant were unable to put in their final written addresses. They did that last week, and they brought motion for extension of time, and it was granted this morning. The plaintiff counsel served us with his own final written address, and the court has to make a consequential order for adjournment to enable the counsel to the first defendant and counsel to the second defendant to put in their reply on point of law.
Well, we are defendants. The plaintiff brought us, wanted a determination of some questions, and we have responded both on the issue of jurisdiction, the competence of the suit, and then the lack of evidence. We have responded. We also have a counterclaim based on our own facts. And so, after taking the applications this morning, it becomes necessary for us on our side to file reply on point of law to the process or processes filed by the plaintiff. And so the court obliged us and granted us adjournment to file the process so that when we come back in February, the court will hear us.
It's a dispute between as to which boundaries the entire NDONI area of Rivers State is situated. Our case is that NDONI area has not been properly captured in maps 10, 11, and 12, administrative map of Nigeria. And to that extent, we're asking the court to properly make a declaration that every area that is NDONI, including oil wells and everything, are within, as confirmed that is within the territory of Rivers State. Simple.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.